Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about what is next for Bitcoin. Now, obviously, the main thing that you need to understand is the fact that Bitcoin had a rocky first half of the year, but experts still say that it will eventually hit $100,000, and that's more of a matter of when, not if. And despite the volatility and recent slumping price, many experts still say that Bitcoin is on its way to passing the $100,000 mark, though with varying opinions on exactly when that will happen. And a recent study by the bank found that about a quarter of the Bitcoin investors believe that the Bitcoin prices will be over $110,000 in the next 5 years. The volatility is nothing new, and it's a big reason experts say that the new crypto investors should be extremely cautious when allocating part of their portfolio to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has shown a steady rise in value over the years as any other cryptocurrencies on the market, and it's only reasonable for Bitcoin investors to be curious about how high it can ultimately go. Crypto prices are still recovering from November's crash, though Bitcoin is faring much than last month. Prices still remain low. Previously a rising star of the crypto world, the major crypto exchange FTX filed for bankruptcy on November 11th. Evidently, there's had major ramifications on the crypto market. BlockFi, another major crypto exchange and lender, filed for bankruptcy literally a few weeks ago. Other crypto entities, including major lenders like Genesis Global Trading, are just trying to stay afloat and avoid bankruptcies on their own. All of this commotion has made it for a rocky end of the year for crypto. Bitcoin's price has recovered a little but remains low, sitting well below $18,000 as of late Thursday afternoon, but is gradually increasing in the coming days. While experts aren't sure whether FTX implosion and the subsequent fallout is going to prolong the crypto winter, it's probably deepened the price lows we've known and seen this year. According to Chris Klein, CRO and co-founder of Bitcoin IRA, a digital asset technology platform for individual retirement accounts, aside from the current crash, Bitcoin's shortcomings stem from poor macroeconomic conditions, which have soared market sentiment throughout the year. The continuing war in Ukraine and shifting monetary US policy, inflation, and the US dollar strength have kept the crypto market in a slump. Bitcoin is now nearly 80% in value from its all-time high in November 2021. Cryptos are weakening as risk appetite just left the building, Edward Moya, the senior market analyst, wrote in Market Plus. We will be talking a lot about FTX for months to come, but what will drive the crypto is if Binance, Coinbase, LBank, and Coinsbit have any liquidity crunches. A lot of bad news have been priced in, so it might take another downfall of a major crypto company or a de-risking movement on Wall Street to take Bitcoin below its recent low. Obviously, guys, when you combine all those elements together, there's a major element that you have to keep in mind. The Bitcoin's price is extremely difficult to predict and even more speculative to market factors than other established asset classes. But that is the reason why we have to keep in mind it's been a brutal first half of 2022 for crypto. And obviously, one expert actually believes that the Bitcoin still hasn't hit its lowest price, and it might even go lower than this. But the question comes is that what is going to happen in 2023? It is easy to predict a $100,000 Bitcoin price last year, coming off its latest time high in November, with Bitcoin's big falls since then. The most knowledgeable educators in the space are predicting for $100,000 in the Bitcoin in the first quarter of 2023 or end of 2023. But now experts anticipate that the Bitcoin is gonna go far more than 100,000 mark. It's more realistic for a Bitcoin to increase dramatically and hit at least over 200,000. Now, what I personally believe is the fact that if you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, you have to do your own due diligence before you get into it. And crypto experts say that Bitcoin still can climb above that, and investors should expect a pretty sustainable rise in the Bitcoin's long-term value driven by organic market movement. And breaking the threshold at $100,000, we believe believe that this is definitely going to take matters even higher, and many experts are hesitant to predict a number and a date, especially a full 8 years into the future, but rather point to the trend of Bitcoin increasing its value over time. The founder and CEO Robert of digital asset marketing and consulting firm Parlex Digital predicts that the Bitcoin will be valued at $12.5 million by 2030 because inflationary pressures will drive interest in cryptocurrency, pushing the value of Bitcoin up higher than previous projections estimated. Known as more of a philosopher type among crypto enthusiasts, Breedlove believes and speaks often about the broader social implication of crypto as a form of more transparent, decentralized currency, but his price predictions haven't exactly been on spot on. Ian Blana, the founder of crypto research and media company Token Metrics, anticipates Bitcoin can go up to $150,000, but the timeline is not clear. And guys, Blana says that the reason and the release of the new altcoins and the hype about the metaverse will continue to drive the demand for crypto, and Bitcoin will therefore bounce back eventually. Big financial institutions have made their own prediction, as well as JP Morgan predicting a long-term high of $150,000, and Bloomberg predicting it could hit $400,000 if the currency climbs at the rate comparable to the past. The only thing guaranteed when it comes to crypto investing is volatility, so investors should expect more of it in the next few years. Nearly 2 years ago, Bitcoin's price swung as high as $68,000, and now it's back around $25,000. This is how high or low Bitcoin prices could go, obviously, in the next coming years. So you gotta keep in mind, guys, so what you're investing in, and understand the dynamics of the market before you get into it. I always mention to all my viewers to make sure that they do their research before investing. There's a lot of different coins and there's a lot of different elements that you have to keep in mind before you invest into crypto, and especially into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a relatively stable coin in comparison to all the altcoins right now in the market. But remember, guys, understanding the dynamics, understanding the political, economical, social, cultural, and technological reasons is essential. Once you understand all these elements, and only then should you invest into cryptocurrencies. And guys, I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, on your WhatsApp, so more people can find out about the right way to understand and actually execute any strategy that they want in the cryptocurrency market. If you need any support whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.